even though it looks like it's going to rain right now, we are coming after Hurricane Irene to see what kind of flooding created. Well, it looks pretty clean today. A lot of people fishing, which is odd. But there is a nice washout. Look at that. How do you think that piece got up there? Want to try to lift it up? Look at the spikes on it. It could do some damage falling on someone. All right, let's go. Come on. We're gonna walk over by those rocks. See if anything washed up. Look at this cool spot. That's what you want to see. Some earth movement. Look at that. Huh. Get out of there.
Why?
Well, because you're gonna fall and the mountain's gonna fall on top of you. It's pretty steep. Yeah, all the dirt's gonna fall. Stay away from there. We gotta do our job picking up this fishing string. Look at this. Some kind of motor. Look at these pilings coming out. Wonder what was here. Look at that thing. It's a great, great spot. I haven't really found anything yet, but it's a great spot. A lot of stuff coming out. I always check out these rock formations with these clusters of stone. I see a piece of glass in there. Because there's usually stuff pretty old stuck in there. That's a thick piece of glass. You never know, you might see a coin sticking out. That's a nice old brick. Look at that thing. 8516. Look for this wash right here. We're going to do a quick glance. See if anything popped up. Besides that tire. Well, we could bring this back. You think we can carry the tire back?
No.
A good shot over here where it started to pull off the sidewall. Some fresh bottles. I don't see anything old. What's with the tent over here? You think someone's living in it? See any bottles coming through? That's really what you want to see. If you can see some old bottles coming through, you know you got a good hot spot. And knock on the, oh, what does that say? You, uh-oh. Turn your head, Maddie. You blanking pigs, you come here and, oh, I guess some local got pissed. Leave your garbage and whatever. Well, it's not great to leave the garbage, but you don't have to use language like that, Matthew. All right, maybe we'll clear up that tent and bring it back. Cool, look at that tree.
You mean the umbrella?
It's an umbrella? Oh, I thought it was a tent. So once again, we have a little bet going on. My son didn't want to come down all this way. I said I need to find a bottle. And if there was one bottle down here. Wait, what do I get if I find a bottle? $5?
No.
Do I get anything?
No.
I get $1 for every bottle I found. If I find no bottles, he gets $5 to purchase a vitamin water. Now this, being of that kind of color, does not look like a bottle. But as I look up top, it's glass up top. I don't know what this is. Look at this thing. It's like some kind of, I don't know what to say. Maddie, make something up. I hate to use the word bottle because it's glass and it looks like a cork top. But with that color, was it painted? I don't know what that is, but I love it.
Not a bottle.
Well, we'll see.
It's not a bottle.
I think maybe the subscribers are going to have to comment, is it a bottle or not?
I need a Gatorade.
All right, well, we'll see. This, I love this thing. I think it was painted. Nitro was a super high drop. Look at all this stuff. So you're going to see the real junk. Not everything that gets washed up is cool. to take home. Look at this wash area. There's a lot going on here. We can repurpose that chair. Don't think so? Look at that nice little section of mud. And really fast, we're gonna look at the drops, then we're gonna go.
Nitro.
Nitro, the roller coaster. Is that what you're comparing to drops in the sand? Look at this. I like the stones. It's an interesting little clip. There's a design right there. It looks as if this was bent over and it clipped onto something like so. Just killing all the fish. Maybe one more time. Doesn't quite have it. I'm not sure what you mean. To the wives of treasure hunters.
A day in the life of a wife of a treasure hunter.
A day in the life of a wife. You know what? We have plenty.
The sink with all the dirty dishes next to it, but then the sink is clear except for sand in the bottom. That'd be the first.
Oh, that's clever.
And then it would
Just be happy I'm not bringing all these fish back, freezing them, and using this for our winter food. So just by that second telephone pole, and right by that sign, you can see this area is all marsh. And I just picked this up. That has some real history to it. This is on one of my walks just to pick up bagels. And along this marsh line, it's been washing a few things up. This is how I find areas. That is something I'm gonna have to reinvestigate. Because this little thing sitting on top is a really old bottle. Top. I did a really good dig out here the other day, and overnight we must have had a pretty strong wash because it took off a lot of the top layer mud. And this is one of my favorite type of searching, where the sun's shining through and we get nice clear water, and you can just sit and look and all the nice colors show up. And when they show up, it's easier to find things sitting in here, especially anything with a little bit of color on it. So we're searching all through here to see if anything pops up. And I thought I saw something, but now it's escaped my vision. All through there, we're gonna get down low and search. And that's what I was looking at before. Circular things, not just a little piece of brass. Junk. Now I knew in this nice clear water there had to be some marbles popping out. And I saw this one from way back. Look at that guy hiding out down there. You see him? Excellent. Look at you. Look at this little guy too. Nice little color. Look at that. Little guy fishing. Excellent. I'm gonna let the dirt clear up a little bit and search in that hole again. I wonder if you guys were yelling when I picked up that marble. A little bit up from it, there's a nice little bottle hanging out there. Oh, it's cobalt blue. Look at this thing. Fantastic. I get a lot of cobalt blue out here. I have not seen one in this shape. Great top to it. Fantastic. Look at that bottle. That is a beaut. this? Is that a fake out? Look at that. How cool is that? Just sitting on top. This little ball right here faked me out, but it brought me down to see these two guys.